All right. Welcome. Welcome back. Les élèves. Hope you had a good restful times. Oh, yes, it is. So when we ended, we were doing the microscope activity, looking at a whole bunch of human tissues, and you were connecting structure and function, like what the cell or tissue does with what it looks like. So up here, I have a micrograph or an image. It's probably 100, probably 400x image of the intestinal wall, the inside of your intestine. Okay, and I want you to look carefully at what you see and tell me how is that structure related to the function of the small intestine. Okay, what features, what physical physical features do you see that could tie in with the function of for the small intestine? All right, so have fun with that. Well, by the way, the shirts came in, so I want to distribute them tomorrow. Okay, so try to bring $5 and tell Ms. Gleason and Ms. Ziz we'll probably deliver those tomorrow during first. Oh, and they sent extra large instead of double X, so they're sending those for both of us. So that might have to wait a couple days. They might be here already. I'll go look. Yeah, I think when I said 2XXL, they're, all the X's and the 2's, I think, something got confused on their end. Oh, this is for Alondra? Is she coming? You don't know? Okay, well, I hope she makes it. How you doing? 3? Good? No idea. No thoughts. You have some thoughts? What video were we watching? Oh, we're Crash. Okay. Let's see. Esme. Oops. What are your thoughts, Esme? No thoughts? No thoughts? Okay. All right. Montserrat, what are your thoughts? Some feature makes it stable. Okay, I mean Does your intestine need to be stable? Yeah. Tissues. Structurally, it's going to expand. Oh, Bree, can you take the headphone out? It's going to stretch and contract a little bit, right? So it's got to be, well, take that pressure. Also kind of move, might get hit, move around a little bit. So it's got to be stable that way, okay? Some tissues don't need that as much. Some tissues need it even more. Like what tissues need to be really strong and really structurally very stiff and yeah, well, yeah, no. Well, what's the hardest thing in your body? Your bones, right? And some of you saw the bone tissue, right? So maybe, yeah, your skull. I was thinking your skull. So your intestines had to have some integrity. But what is it looks like we're having trouble with the structure. Let's start with the function. What's the function of your intestines? Absorbing nutrients. That's their number one. That's their number one love in life, right? They might like to be structurally have integrity, but their number one passion is they have a passion for absorption, Valeria. Okay? Like you have a passion for absorbing knowledge, right? You woke up, you're passionate. You're like, I'm going to go absorb knowledge. Get passionate about that. So what feature could help them absorb nutrients? What are these things? These are the what? The villi. And the inside of the intestine, it's not just one flat wall, it's all these villi. And what do all these villi, when the insides are in this kind of pattern with all these little fingers, what does this allow for? Yeah, these villi increase surface area. That gives more area for absorption, right? That's its passion. So it's got a lot of these little fingers in here to increase the surface area. So the structure, meaning the villi, so let's write that very explicitly. We'll write it here. Maybe you'll do this, when you finish up tomorrow. The structure we're looking at are the villi, okay? Giving more surface area, helping with, where to go? Helping with the function. Absorption of what? Nutrients. Structure, function, structure, function. I want you to think about those two together. Okay? It's like, kind of a puzzle when we look at those tissues. I want you to always be focused on that and make that connection. Structure. Some are harder than others, right? Do some tissues just look like a bunch of gobbledygook? A bunch of circles? I see people draw a whole bunch of circles everywhere. So I want you to try to go a little bit deeper, really look at the patterns of those circles. Okay? Go back to the function. Okay? And then that will help lead you to the structure. Okay? going back both ways in this kind of deductive method of figuring out the value, the meaning of these slides. Okay. All right. Also tomorrow, be speaking. If you haven't, turned in your IA stuff, we need to start ramping up, getting those experiments started. Okay, because probably a lot of you will start it and then restart it. Maybe restart it again. That's fine, but we need to get started. So, well, it was before, and I'll add another assignment probably tomorrow or today to the IA stuff. All right, but that's tomorrow. Right now, I have a holiday. Find someone, so I need you to put all your phones away. So don't try to go on Google or something like that. Don't do Siri. Okay. Don't do ChatGPT. Okay. So no phones. Just remember, everybody can answer some of these. Okay. So make sure when you get this, see which ones you can help out with, and then we'll get up and we'll go. Well, there we go. 2, 1. One, 2. Oh, that is nice. Got the sperm right there. Structure and function. Whoa! Valeria's already violating the directions. The spirit of the holidays. All right, let's go. Let's get up. We need some Jingle Bell music for this, right? I know. No phones. Just guess. You don't need to